Hi, good morning, boys and girls, and how are you today? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. And I hope you're doing well and doing all your lessons and not giving mummies and daddies a hard time, right? You're getting your work done and you're doing it beautifully. Well, today we're going to talk about subject and verb, okay? And something special has to happen with the subject and verb. It has to agree. They have to love each other in order for the sentence to work. They have to be good friends. Hello, subject. Hello, verb. How are you today? Yes, they have to meet and agree with each other, okay? Now, let's just review what a verb is. A verb can show action. So if I say Miss Hurston is clapping, what is the action I'm doing? If you say clapping, you're correct. If I say Miss Hurston is punching, what is Miss Hurston doing? What's the action? That action is punching, and that is correct. If I say Pharrell is pointing, what is the action Pharrell is doing? She would be pointing. If I say Isaiah is digging, he's digging that hole, then what is the action? Digging. If I say Duran is laughing, then laughing is the action, okay? So our subject, which is usually the noun of the sentence, the naming part of our sentence, has to agree with the verb. So they have to say, hey, high five, fist pump, what you saying, dude? What's up? They got to be together, okay? Now, when a subject is singular, you add an S, okay, to most verbs. So if it's a singular subject, you add an S. If the subject is plural, then you add nothing to the verb, okay? So let's take a look at what Ms. Hurston's talking about. Let's look at this. It says, the boy drinks lemonade, right? Now, look at my subject. My subject is the boy, and what is he doing? The verb is drinks. Do you notice that? Boy is one, and look what happens to drinks. You get an S. See? So when the naming part is one, then the verb has an S, and they agree. Now, let's look at the next thing. Let's look at this sentence. It says, the boys drink lemonade. The boys drink lemonade. Now, what do you notice about this? You see this here? This says boys. You notice that? It's more than one because it has an S. So what happens to our verb? Our verb stays the same. It says drink. We don't do anything to the verb. So do you see that? So in order for us to meet and to be right and greet each other and agree, the noun or singular, the verb has an S, and the noun is more than one, and the verb stays the same without an S. So the boy drinks lemonade, the boys drink lemonade. Okay? Now, as a reminder, this is something I'm downloading for your parents to see, but I'm going to let you look at it. Look at it. It says one and more than one. Do you see that? It says one and more than one. So look at here. It has one boy pulls his sled. You see that? In orange, boy is singular. Pulls would have an S. Okay? And look at more than one. It says two girls pull their dog. Do you see that? And here, girls is more than one. So the verb does not have an S. Do you see that? And let's look at another one. One. It says, the turtle swims in the ocean, right? The turtle swims in the ocean. Do you see turtle? Singular, one. And swims, we add an S. Let's look at the next one. Turtles, you see the S on turtles? Turtles swim in the ocean. Do you see that? It's more than one, and so our verb stays the same without an S. So when it's one, our verb has an S. When it's more than one, our verb stays the same. Okay? And you're going to do the exercise in your reader's notebook, page 184. Okay? And I know you're going to do a great job.